Hello YouTube, it is me, G-Manny is back, aka Garren Novak, and today I'll be doing an ukulele tutorial, the first of its kind, on my channel. I've never done an ukulele tutorial before, but as per request, people have asked me, how do you do Here I Go Again the way you did it? You know, and I'll show you in today's video. So, to start it off, I'm gonna do the melody because that's what's different. You start the 4th string, 2nd fret, which makes this sound. So if you look closely, right here. And then right after that, you follow it up by just strumming, just plucking the 4th string, not pressing down on any frets or anything, just. So together it's. Next, you move your thumb to the 3rd string and you press down on the 3rd fret like this. And then it will sound like this. And so right after that, you follow it up by taking this, the same string, look at the same string there, and you do this. So all together it'll sound like. And then you go back, it's fairly easy. And then you go back to strum, or pluck the 4th string again. And then go back. So all together now. That, right there, is the melody part. Now that we have completed the melody bit, we are now going to move on to the chords that you play throughout the track. Okay, so the very first chord you're going to play is the G chord, which if you don't know, finger arrangement is this finger here, and that finger here. So it's 1, 2, 3, like that. You start with G, and then next is D, which D, it's a fairly easy chord, you know, it's not complicated. You take your thumb, this is the easiest thing, and you just put it over these 3 strings on the 2nd fret, and you strum. So, and then the next chord is C, which what I usually do is I use my ring finger and I push down and. So all together it'll sound like this. I don't know where I'm going. If you want, this is what I usually do, is I add in a D, so it'll sound like this. I don't know where I'm going. So instead of just I don't know where I'm going, instead of just that, it's I don't know where I'm going, but I sure know where I've been. That's pretty much the verse. And so next we're going to work on what's leading up to the chorus, which will be the next part of the song. So I don't know where I'm going, but I sure know where I've been, hanging on the promises and the songs of yesterday. Now right here, you play an A minor chord, and I made up my mind, and then it's D, back to A minor, I ain't wasting no more, back to D, time, A minor, D, then E minor, E minor. Back to A minor. Here I go again. Back to E minor. Then A minor, and then C, D, and then G. Okay, so it's not like this. Well, I made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. Here I go again. Here I go again. And then you literally just repeat the same chords as before. And then the chorus. Here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I've ever known. Like a drifter I was born to walk alone. And I made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. So all it is literally is G, here I go, and then go to C, again on my, and then go to D, A minor, D, then repeat. Going down the only road I've ever known. Like a drifter I was born to walk alone. And then you go to A minor. And I made up my mind. D. I ain't wasting no. Back to A minor. D. Then A minor, D. And then G. You go back to it. And the here I go again. The bridge part is. So all you do, you start off, here I go again, E minor, then A minor, here I go again, then E minor, here I go again, then you go to E minor, then A minor, here I go, back to E minor, then A minor, D, then it's not D, scratch that, it's A minor, then it's C, and then D. So it's, and then back to G. It's the same old stuff. That's how you play Here I Go Again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for everything. I'd be nothing without all of you. So thank you all so much. It means the world to me. I get you guys' support. Thank you. And for any more tutorials, just comment on this video for requests, and or DM me or inbox me for any requests for tutorials, and I'll do it. I have a Yamaha keyboard now, so I can also do piano tutorials again if you'd like. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye now.